the future of land investing. What will land investing look like in 3 years, 5 years, 10 years?
Yeah, there's going to be more people that enter space naturally when you can buy something, and we still are doing it every single month, every week, pretty much every week, buying for 30,000, selling for 100,000. People are going to flock to the industry, Dan. Like it's just natural. A lot of people are going to leave the industry as well. But the margins are going to be there. It's still going to be an asset that people own that they're trying to liquidate. It's one of the more common assets that people are trying to liquidate, and it's not an easy asset to liquidate. Like you're going to have to run a good business. I think what it might eliminate, Dan, is the competitive nature of it. I think it might eliminate the people who are just like doing this very like not even like a side hustle, like less than what I would call a side hustle. I think it's going to be the businesses that thrive in the next 3 to 5 years, as competition might increase a little bit.